bicentennial of death of nature's poet John Keats. This environmental day seems to be the right day to listen to some of his verses. Keats' deeply reflective poetic attempts to explore and understand beauty was an inspiration to countless poets. Our friends are ready to recite some of his magical lines. Let's hear it.
I cannot see what flowers are at my feet, nor what soft insect hanged up on the pot. But in embalmed darkness guess each sweet, wherewith the seasonal mud adores. The grass, the thicket, and the fruit tree wild, the white halfdan and the pastoral eglantine, fading fast violet covered up in leaves, and the mid-May's eldest child, the coming must rose full of day wine, the murmuring hand of the files of summer eve.
O solitude, if I must be quitted, let it not be among shamble heap of marble buildings. Climb with me the heat, nature's observatory, whence winter, its glory smokes, its rivers crystal swell. Mesween a span, let me, wide winged ski, monks pose pavilion, where the tears with me, stars, divine to thee from the curved low belt.
Season of mist and mellow fruitfulness, close bosom friend of the maturing sun, conspiring with him how to load and bless. With fruit, the vines that round the thatch is run, to bend with the apples and most cottage trees, and fill all fruit with the ripeness to the core. To swell the core and plumb the hills and shells, with the sweet kernel, to set budding more, and still more little flowers for the bees. Until tempting warm days will never cease, whose summer has overbrimmed their clammy sense.
A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases, it will never pass into nothingness, but still will keep a bubble going for us, and a sleep full of sweet dreams and health and quiet breathing. For simple sheep and such are daffodils with the great world they live in, and clear rills that for themselves a cooling covert make gainst the whole season. The mid-forest brake, rich with the sprinklings of fair musk rose blooms.
A thing of beauty is enjoyed forever. Beauty is a truth, true beauty that is all you know on earth and all you need to know.